Earthquakes can strike without warning, leaving devastation in their wake. Understanding how to prepare and respond is crucial for your safety. First, assess your home for risks. Secure heavy furniture, appliances, and fragile items to prevent them from toppling over. Create an emergency kit with essentials such as water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, and important documents. Store this kit in an accessible location. Next, develop a family communication plan. Designate a meeting point outside your home and ensure all family members know how to reach each other in case of separation. Practice earthquake drills regularly so everyone knows the safest actions to take. During the quake, drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, and hold on until the shaking stops. Stay indoors to avoid falling debris and glass. If you're outside, move to an open area away from buildings, trees, and power lines. After the shaking, be cautious of aftershocks, check for injuries, and listen for emergency broadcasts. Being prepared can mean the difference between life and death, so take these steps seriously and stay safe.